The 209 regular session is now called to order. And temporary presiding officer, I request SB Tadmalian for the prayer on the meeting of the councilors.
Tayo po ay manalangin. Lord, maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na pinagkalipin sa bawat isa. Lord, gabayan po ang aming organization ng araw at pagbabayan po kami sa aming mga katalakayin ng mga agenda ng araw. Salamat po sa mga biyaya at paggabay sa aming sa bawat isa at sa aming mga pamilya. Sunod po aming dalangin sa mga Jesus. Taas po natin ating kanang mamaya at sabay-sabay po natin panginin ang Councilor Street. Kaya magiging by law of the legislatures and ordinances, that redound to the general welfare of my constituents, in the pursuit for happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service above self, as the guiding principle of my official act, and as the thread of pathways of local legislation, by the divine guide of my right heart. It shall include my constituents for the living of people.
May I ask anyone who could suggest or nominate the parang secretary?
Sino po yung magsekretary?
I nominate myself.
S.E. Kianso nominated for temporary secretary.
Madam Virginie Quezon.
Accepted, Mr. Chair.
May we have the attendance?
Mr. Chair,
Inspector,
are we doing the roll call, Mr. Chair?
not yet, please do the roll call. Thank you.
Councilor Sara Crespo Abon. Councilor Badlan. Wala ko po. Councilor Rodriguez.
Present.
Councilor Lacanilaw.
Present.
Councilor Lagada. Councilor Caralis. Councilor Lili. Councilor Dugasan. Yatchon. Councilor Pacaldo. Councilor Suspended, Mr. Chair, our LA Federation President is official business po. And our regular presiding officer, etc. There are 9 members present for the purpose of the quorum, and we are now ready to transact our business.
Thank you, Mr. Quezon. And before we proceed, we also would like to acknowledge, binabati po natin si Nigel Agip, magandang umaga po. And go ahead,
Thank you, Mr. Secretary, Presiding Officer. Mr. Secretary, Officer, since the regular SB Secretary is not around, may I move that the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session be dispensed.
Second,
the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session will be dismissed. Will be done on the next regular session.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
I
yes.
move suspension of the rules and go straight to the reading and repellers of proposed measures, ordinances, resolutions, petitions, letters, and other communications. Mr. Chair. Since it is very difficult for the Secretariat and Noel accepted being the temporary secretary to interpolate or to question or and take note the proceedings of the session at the same time. Mr. Chair.
Sir, second.
Second.
Before that, we have a visitor.
Okay.
I think,
Yes, you want to answer.
Okay. Siguro bigyan natin ng pagkakataon. Go ahead, Mr. Billy.
yes, Mr. Chair, before we proceed to the reading and repealers of proposed measures, we'll go back to the question hour for us to give our visitor, Imam Hakim, for giving time to accommodate these issues and concerns.
Thank you, Mr. Billy. Haji Hakim, maaari po bang malaman namin kung ano po yung gusto iparating? Dito tayo sa saan? Dito po. Nililimitahan lang po namin sa 3 to 5 minutes po. Pipili ko ito po. Masabi ko po. Salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Magandang umaga. Ako ay nagpunta dito, sinasadya ko po, gusto ko po yung police malremedyo ipatawag kung bakit siya ay ako tinikita niya. Pagtanong ko doon sa punong MNLF, yun pala may batas na yung Muslim. Kaya sa akin, kung sa kanya gusto nila masunod, na hindi ako payag, laban na lang ako. Kasi ang batas namin mayroon na. Kung ganun wala kayong batas, bakit naman hindi galing sa bansa nila sa Manila, hindi hinuli? Kasi may sulat sila galing sa bansa, parang hard sila. At kami ba nga may batas na kay priority kami tapos tinitikitan kayo kumplito ako. May karapatan naman ako maglaban sa kanya. Kaya yun mo, pinatawagan ako sa barangay Top-Top. Sinugod ko kasi nila. Kung tingnan yung patay ko, nitak ko yung seatbelt yun. Pero makakawawa naman yung iba damay. Gusto ko patayin ko na talaga. Kasi hindi sunod sa batas ng Muslim. Kami kasi Muslim ugali namin, kung hindi tama sa batas, kami lalaban. Kaya nga noong panahon ni Ferdinand Marcos, sinapakan kami ni Secretary ng President Pagos, anong nangyari? Mag-rebelde yung Muslim, lalaban. Na ngayon may kalayaan na. Kung ngayon may gulo, sila yung sinisisya ng Presidente. Presidente, ayaw niya ng gulo kasi binigay na kami kalayaan, kasi malaya na ayaw na ng gulo. Sa kaguluhan, na yung mga gulo ngayon, pulis. Bakit? Parang walang galang sa akin, parang aso tawag na sa akin. Hindi na ginagalang sa sulat ko. May sulat naman ako galing sa Muslim Appeal sa Manila sa Mustafa Kamama. Kumplito naman ako, tapos bakit naman ako ganun? Tapos may sulat pa ako itulog galing sa Manila, hindi daw honor. Ako ganun ko yung honor. Pagkakamay ko honor sa ano nila. Kung hindi honor ito, pagkakamay ko honor sa kanya.
Salamat.
Yun lang sa akin. Gusto ko ipatawag, parang kaanaman yun lang.
Ipaliwanag ko po sa inyo. Karoon po kami ng tatlong pag-uusap na kasama po si Haji Hakim at ang miyembro ng PLEM. Pero ang PLEM po kasi ang pwede po natin principal. So, yung bagong principal po natin ng Central, siya po ang papalit. At na bagong miyembro ng PLED at si Engineer Evangelista. So, meron po tayong 3 tao na maisasama po doon sa PLED na mag-judge sa kaso mo po. Tulad po lang nasabi ko sa iyo nung nakaraan, kailangan po kasi na mag-vote sila o magsumpa na kasama po ni Mayor para allow po sila na magdesisyon kasama ko. Pero yung pag-usapan po natin dati bilang chairman po ng TED at yung mga dating miyembro ko, tuloy-tuloy din po yun. Kailangan lang po natin kasama sila ngayon para magkaroon po tayo ng mas lakas at tamang desisyon po sa bagay na sinasabi mo. Ang may papangako po namin sa iyo ay tuloy-tuloy po natin at magiging patas po tayo. Titignan po yung side mo, titignan po yung side ng TNP, at titignan po yung side ng NPO. At doon po kami sa gitna, tulad po na napag-usapan natin, basta i-ready mo lang po lahat ng mga papel na meron sa. At nandito po kami upang magservisyo po sa bayan, magiging patas po kami. Yun po pinapangako po namin. Maraming salamat din po sa oras po na binigay nyo ngayon. At pasensya po, hindi po tayo makakapagtagal dito dahil na-refer na po yan sa PLED. Pero yun nga po pangako namin sa inyo, magiging patas po kami. At tutulungan po namin kayo na ma-resolve po yung kaso na hawak po. At tayo po sa sanggunian at sa bayan ng Brooks Point, huwag po natin dahil yung papatayin ko siya, bubugin ko siya. Huwag po ganun, tayo po dito, yung magkakaibigan po tayo lahat at nandito po kami upang resolve po yung problema. Salamat po sa oras.
Kasi parang alam niyo, hindi ko pa naman ang aking sarili. Tanong namin yung magkano sa amin. Pero gusto ko ay sin. Ang ganyan news na ako.
May po pa.
Okay.
Sa leave na, Mr.
Opo, nasa plan lang po ng tatlong hearing na po kami. Yun nga lang po, nagbago kasi ngayon dahil may mga nalipas na tao. So, kailangan po ng 3 uli na miyembro. Ang sabi ni Mayor, hindi lang nagkaka-schedule. So, hindi niya po mapa-out yung tatlo. So, kailangan po kasi nila pagsumpa para makakirma po sila.
Pero yun, hindi pa yun.
Makadesisyon sa kaso.
Karoon yan na.
Marami na.
Yan naman na yung problema namin po lang. Kaya na ito, pagsubakan doon at lead. Doon at lead. Doon ka pag-usapan ng i-hearing at mga miyembro at lead.
Kaso ako kami na kasi bayad pa kami. Busy na kasi.
Ah,
Bayad busy na.
bago pa mag-file na mapag-usapan.
Susubukan po natin na
Na hindi pa kailangan abutin ng bayad, maayos na.
kung sakaling mag-filing naman po, walang problema, tutuloy po natin.
Tuloy-tuloy man pa dyan kasi ipag-reklamo mo yun kaya man hindi politiko. Hindi man di ba pulis ipag-reklamo mo, lang politiko. Pa dyan eh.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat din po sa oras.
Basta kayo na lang maggawa ng surat ng bawa kung kailan.
Okay, nasa po ang
Hindi ko na rin.
Thank you po.
Salamat po. Maaari po bang humingi ako ng parang na-ibalik po natin sa...
I move for the assumption of the session under the lifting of the suspension of the rules, Mr. Chair.
ABS po. We are now on item number 5, the privilege hour. Is there any member of the body that would like to render his privilege speech? None? Item number 6, question hour. Item number 7, the reading and referrals of proposed measures, ordinances, resolutions, petitions, letter, and other communication. Can I ask our temporary secretary?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Item number 1, local expenditure program for calendar year 2024 of the Barangay Council of Saraza amounting to 6,401,780 pesos.
The local expenditure program for calendar year 2024 of the Barangay Council of Sarasa amounting to 6,401,780 is referred to the Committee on Finance, Appropriations, and Ways and Means.
Resolution number 17, series of 2024, from Barangay Council of Tugtog, resolution approving from municipal fund MOOE amounting to 250,000 for travel expenses, water expenses, electric expenses, office supplies, and office equipment barangay control group fund Palawan.
The resolution number 17, series of 2024 from Barangay Council to a resolution approving from Municipal Fund MOOP calendar year 2024 amounting to 250,000 for traffic expenses, water expenses, electrical expenses, office supplies, and office equipment at Barangay Control Group fund Palawan. Is referred to the same committee, Committee of Finance.
A letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Sarah Jr. requesting for the Cambodian Bayan's consideration on the request of the BDO Network Bank Incorporated that is offering salary loan program to our regular employees.
Letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting the Cambodian Bayan's consideration of the request the BDO Network Bank that is offering salary loan program for regular employees is referred to the same committee, the Committee on Finance.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. endorsing the annual investment plan for calendar year 2025 with attached MDC resolution number 16 to 20, series of 2024 of the municipal government of Bruce County.
This is referred to the Committee on Finance.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting for the Sambutan Bayan's consideration and endorsement of the rehabilitation major repair of Maasin Bridge along Puerto Princesa South Road in Maasin, Bruce Point, Palawan.
This item is referred to the Committee on Infrastructure.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting SB resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into memorandum of agreement with Bureau of Fire Protection, Brooks Point Fire Station to use 1 unit of fire tanker for disaster preparedness and disaster response initiative of the NDRRMC.
This item is referred on the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Accountability.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting Sangguniang Bayan to review the ordinance number 1, series of 2024 from Barangay Council of Sangguniang, an ordinance naming of barangay streets, in particular as provided at Section 13 of Chapter 2 of the Local Government Code of 1991.
This item is referred to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Accountability.
Same letter from our local chief executive appealing for the immediate action of the Sangguniang Bayan on the camp hiking franchise in Bruce Point, Palawan.
Bakit ka-refer na sa Committee on Rules?
Still is.
Yes.
Ano, may family din siya, hindi pa.
Okay. And this will be referred to the Committee of the Whole, headed by our Vice Mayor, Menji Feliciano. Next item.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting SB resolution authorizing the LCE to enter into memorandum of understanding with Malis Cacao Farmers Livelihood Association.
This item is referred to the Committee on Agriculture, Food Security, and Government.
Next, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting Sangguniang Bayan to review and for appropriate action of proposed projects and programs of the Office of the Municipal Environment and Natural Resources.
This item is referred to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Accountability.
Next, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting Sangguniang Bayan to review and for appropriate action of the proposed budget and program for local council for the protection of children for calendar year 2025 of the municipal government of Bruce Point, Palawan.
The said item is referred to the Committee on Finance, Appropriations, and Ways and Means.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario Arturo Jr. requesting Sangguniang Bayan to review and for appropriate action of the proposed budget and program for senior citizen and person with disability for calendar year 2025 of the municipal government of Bruce
Finance, Appropriations, and Ways and Means.
Next item, a letter from Municipal Mayor, Honorable Cesar Arbenito Jr., requesting Sangguniang Bayan to review and for appropriate action. The request from the Grand Export Manufacturing Corporation Incorporated.
Agenda items refer to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Public Order.
Item number 13, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesar Arbenito Jr. requesting SB resolution authorizing the LTE to enter into memorandum of agreement with Cardinal Agri Products Incorporated.
Agenda items refer to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Public Order.
No more other referrals, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Let's go to item number 8, Committee Report. Go ahead, the Pakate.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, colleagues and staff and secretaries. My committee report, kung naalala po ninyo, last regular session ay meron po akong privilege speech para po sa isang ordinansa na nagatas ng lahat ng gobernong tanggapan sa lahat ng antasan para ng bayan, Palawan na magsuot ng kasuotang tekniko tuwing Lunes sa buwan ng Oktubre bilang pagdiriwang ng buwan ng Katutubo. Ito po ay nagkaroon ng committee meeting, ngunit napagkasunduan po ng mga members ay papalitan po yung caption or yung title. Instead na nag-aatas, pinaatasan, ay papalitan po ng term na naghihikayat. Naghihikayat to promote the tribal attire o yung etnikong kasuotan tuwing buwan ng Oktubre. So, yun ang napakasunduan ko sa membro. Ako po ay babasahin ko to the representative officer, members of the Sangguniang. The above name committee to whom the pictures has been referred to has the honor to report it back to the Sangguniang its findings and recommendations to it. Findings, number 1. The committee agreed that the term nag-aatas changed into naghikayat to wear the traditional attire, ethnic attire in every LU department office in different schools within the municipality of Roxbury, Palawan. Number 2 findings. The schools and Department of Environment Cultural Resources they are willing to wear mixed attire every Friday. Instead, the month due to strict implementation of DepEd and DNR dress code policy during regular days. Number 3 findings. The DepEd District Supervisor South suggested the penalty of amounting 2,500 pesos is no need to impose because they already practice wearing ethnic attire every month of October, aiming to educate students to our different culture and traditions for every tribe in our native land. Number 4 findings, since we have different culture and tradition and different tribes like Muslim brothers, Abutainen, Gayanin, Uyunin, Palawan, and Mulbo, government employees we cannot impose the above something. Balik po dito, dati po,
Mr. Chair, may interrupt po ako.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, there's an observation po I guess I should just on that yung other issues po and other justification, be-reserve po kapag doon na po tayo sa kapag kinoconsider po natin siya ang second reading po.
Yes.
Uh,
Second reading. Explain to the
Thank you, Madam Secretary, Mr. Chair. Sige po. Sa recommendations po, pakain ko lang. The above named committee recommends to the August Valley that the above subjects and the form of ordinance be changed into resolution and for approval into this regular session. Thank you, Mr. Chair, colleague, and Ma'am Secretary.
Is there anyone who would like to speak on it?
Magandang umaga, pagdalagalang na tagapangulo at sa mga kasamahan. Ang aming pong ulat ng committee, ito po ay mula sa committee ng Finance, Appropriation, Ways and Means. So, in the absence of the chairperson of the Committee of Finance, as Vice Chairperson of the said committee, I will render the copy of this committee report, Mr. President. The subject of the committee report is in relation to the letter of the municipal mayor forwarding the ECAN resolution number 2024-06 approving the Brooks Point Environmentally Critical Areas Network Board Work and Financial Plan, current year 2024 amounting to 119,500, authorizing its utilization chargeable to ECAN Trust Fund. Mr. Presiding Officer, ito pong 119 million ay as I said, ito po ay under trust fund at under collection din po ito ng nasabing ECAN board at nandito yung based on the proposal approved by utilization.
190 million or
190,000.
Mr. Chair, may I interrupt po the speaker that I suggest po that we go directly since all of us has a copy naman po of this committee report that we go directly to the recommendation po.
Okay, thank you. May I proceed, Mr. Temporary Presiding Officer. So, I will not discuss the findings, considering that everyone has a copy. So, I will go to the recommendation of the committee. The committee recommendation for the passage of the resolution approving ECAN Board Resolution number 2024-06, Brooks Point ECAN Board Work and Financial Plan for calendar year 2024 amounting to 119,500 pesos, authorizing its utilization chargeable to ECAN Trust Fund into this regular session for hindi po nakalagay dito but I remember during the committee meeting recommended siya for second and final reading into this regular session. Mr. Presiding.
Thank you. Meron ba po ba nung magre-render ng committee report? Kung wala na po, let's proceed to the calendar of business. Calendar unfinished business.
There is no answer for unfinished business, Mr. Chair, as to the, based on the order of business.
Business for the day, second reading.
Those measures that has been reported out from the committee, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Go ahead, SP Pakalo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Again, thank you, colleague and Madam Secretary. Resolution requesting all government agencies, public and private, to the Philippines possess unique and vibrant and traditional attire that embodies their cultural ethnicity and history. Whereas wearing ethnic attire is a powerful expression of cultural pride. Um, Whereas wearing ethnic attire is a powerful expression of cultural pride and solidarity with indigenous people, fostering deeper understanding and appreciation of the rich cultural diversity within our nation. Whereas the integration of ethnic attire into the regular activities of government agencies and schools can serve as a reminding of the importance of cultural preservation and inclusivity. Whereas encouraging the wearing of ethnic attire in government agencies in schools can be promote cultural awareness, unity, respect among the Filipinos, fostering a sense of national identity and pride. That's all, Mr. Chair. I'm ready for the interpretation.
Go ahead, Estrada.
Yung word na community, nakita ng community. Wala akong word na community. Tamang word na community. Nakita ng community. Nagiging kasanayan namin sila ng mga tama ng bigkas ng kuyunan ay kuyulinis. Pero wala akong word na community. Kuyunan.
Thank you for that insight, Sir Estrada.
Thank you.
Yes. Mr.
Mr. Ippolito.
Doon lang po sa caption, later siguro sa Philippine communities kung ang kailangan proponent. Yung word na existing, kasi parang doon nata na community tayo ang napakasulat. Encourage.
I'm sorry.
Encourage. Or enjoying by getting.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Please take note, Madam Secretary. Thank you. Madam Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, you get to speak.
speaking as the member of this assembly and Mr. Chair, all amendments will be under the amendment period. Are we already under amendment period?
I think we're already done with the video.
I think wala na rin.
Yes, yes, we
If
do.
there is no other interpretation, I will propose the interpretation for us. Second.
The period of preparation is now closed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And now, our resolution requesting. I move for the approval. I move for the. What?
Yes, correction.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Before the voting, we move, if the interpreting first, the other proposed amendments of the other colleagues like the
Is there any other amendments aside from the amendments of SP Lagrana and SP Julia a while ago?
Mr.
Go
President,
ahead.
also I move for to amend the word existing into inclusion.
Please take a look at that. Is there any other amendments on the proposed resolution of FMR? So that SP please.
So, mga kapatid po ng mga kasamaan, since na ito naman po ay isang resolusyon lamang, kasi may naman po siya pinansa, ay naghihintaya naman ito sa mga bagong person. I move that this resolution
this resolution.
Go ahead, Mr. Malo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Fully and thank you. I move for the approval of resolution requesting all government agencies, public, private schools to wear any ethnical alawan po yun nun. Kagayan, Agutayan, and Mulbo every Friday, the month of October in Municipal Brooks will be approved and adopted
As amended.
as amended. Thank you.
The resolution requesting all government agencies, public and private schools to wear any ethnic attire, Calaucan, Cuyunan, Cagayanan, Agatayanan, and Mulbo every Friday of the month of October, the municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan, with the amendments and now approved and adopted.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Sige.
Mr. Chair, I have here a copy of draft resolution entitled the resolution adopting environmentally critical areas network resolution number 2024-06. A resolution approving the Brooks Point environmentally critical areas network or ECAN Board Work and Financial Plan calendar year for 2024 amounting to 119,500 pesos, authorizing its utilization chargeable to ECAN Trust Fund. Ito po, kagalang-galang Pangulo, ay mula po doon sa rekomendasyon ng committee na akin pong iniulat kanina mula sa Committee ng Finance. Ito pong 119,500 kagalang-galang Pangulo, ang kanyang breakdown ay yung 35,000 ay para sa training meeting expenses ng nasabing ECAN board. At meron pong 34,500 para po sa meals and snacks ng nasabing may kaugnayan sa nasabing board. At meron pong 50,000 para po sa enforcement and monitoring team expenses. Open and close parenthesis po dito, meron nakalagay na laptop, printer, and office supplies. At ito pong mga laptop, printer, at office supplies na ito ay atin din pong inalam noong pong committee meeting. Ito ay based doon po sa paliwanag ng representative ng MPDO ay under the custodian of the MEDRO. Ito pong nakagamitan dahil nga para daw ito sa MST, yung multi-sectoral team body. So mayroon pong kabuuan ng 119,500 Mr. Chair. So ito po ang intention ng resolution na ito para po i-adapt at aprubahan yung Environmental Critical Areas Network Resolution number 2024-06.
Thank you, Speaker.
So,
Mr. Chair, I suggest that the proponent goes in favor directly.
Go ahead, Speaker.
thank you. I move for the approval and adoption of a resolution adopting environmentally critical areas network resolution number 2024-06 entitled the resolution approving the Brooks Point environmentally critical areas network board work and financial plan calendar year 2024 amounting to 119,500 pesos, authorizing its utilization chargeable to ECAN Trust Fund. Be approved and adopted.
The said resolution adopting the environment the critical areas network resolution number 2024-06 is now approved in the Senate.
Maraming salamat po, Kagalang-galang ng Pangulo at sa mga kasamaang miyembro ng ating komisyon.
Meron ba po under the business for the day?
No more, Mr. Chair.
Unassigned business? Go ahead, Speaker Pingis.
Maraming salamat po sa ating temporary presiding officer. I am here a resolution being referred to my committee on infrastructure and communication. This matter refers to the resolution introducing no objection for the implementation of the rehabilitation major repair of Maasin Bridge, particularly on B00070 along Puerto Princesa Road, which is included in the National Expenditure Program of 2025 at Barangay Maasin, Brooks Point, Palawan. And may I also take the floor to request my dear colleague to treat this matter as a
There's a request for an urgency on this matter. Can I ask for the hands, kind hands, to those who approve? You may proceed the item.
Antonio?
Item number 5.
It only refers to the resolution that we don't interpose. I mean, no objection for the implementation of the rehabilitation major, yes, of Maasin Bridge. Apparently, Mr. Temporary Presiding, nakumpleto na rin po nila yung mga certain requirements such as zoning certification. Ganyan din po yung barangay resolution coming from the affected area, barangay Maasin. And naka-reflect na rin po ito sa CLUP, and ang hinihintay na lang po yung sangguniang bayan endorsement.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, may I ask if the matter is the measure is certified as urgent with the council?
It is not certified as urgent, but the proponent is asking for an urgency on this matter, so we should vote for
Mr.
that.
Chair, would you respect if we have not yet voted for the urgency?
Yes, we're trying to vote for now.
Yes,
And no one objected.
No one objected, pero nagtanong si SB Kulili on what's the... Go ahead,
should I elaborate it or
I think we should proceed.
Mr. Chair, I recommend that we go directly to the Mr. Chair, because it's for the bridge.
With that rule, Mr. Temporary Presiding, I move that the resolution in no objection for the implementation of rehabilitation major repair of Maasin Bridge along PPC South Road, which is included in the National Expenditure Program 2025 at Barangay Maasin, Brooks Point, Palawan, be approved and adopted.
A resolution interposing no objection for the implementation of the rehabilitation or major repair of Maasin Bridge along Puerto Princesa South Road, which is included in the National Expenditure Program 2025 at Barangay Maasin, Brooks Point, Palawan is now approved and adopted.
Thank you.
Meron pa po? Yes. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, this is about the letter of our local chief executive, although this is not certified as urgent, but I understand, no? Ito pong kanyang sulat na ito ay kaugnay po doon sa pag-enter niya into Memorandum of Agreement, kaugnay doon sa isang fire truck being purchased by the LTRMO. And said fire truck ay ito po ay ipapagamit sa Bureau of Fire Protection. So, meron pong draft MOA dito na naka-attach.
Mr. Chair, for the urgency first.
Yes. And with that, Mr. Chair, I move that this mission be treated as urgent in today's regular session.
The proponent is
Step up
asking
to
for...
the urgency, Mr. Chair.
No objections? Okay. You You may proceed, SB.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. No? Ito pong MOA, ang nakita dito ay pagtatagalan man ng isang taon and then renewable po yung MOA. With that, Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that the resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into memorandum of agreement with Bureau of Fire Protection, Brooks Point Fire Station to use 1 unit of fire tanker for disaster preparedness and disaster response initiatives of the MDRRMC be approved and adopted.
Second.
The SB resolution authorizing the LCE to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Bureau of Fire Protection, Brooks Point Fire Station to use 1 unit of a fire tanker for disaster preparedness and disaster response initiatives of the MDRRMC is now approved and adopted.
Thank you again, Mr. Presiding Officer and my colleagues.
Meron pa po under business of the day. I mean, unassigned business.
No more, Mr. Chair.
Resolutions and ordinances for third reading. Let's proceed to item number 11, announcement. Any announcements? RJ?
Ayun, so Friday po pala.
Sorry po.
Regarding po dun sa ating
Mr. Chair, may I ask the speaker to please take the podium?
morning po. Announcement po pala sa Friday. Ayun po sa napag-usapan po kahapon sa HR. Yung venue po ng ating Lord's Night ay sa Bagong Damanan po. Sa Pangmilya. Kasi yung ang tagal po natin is hindi po siya pwede. Tapos po yung umaring po yung magsuot daw po tayo ng maskara. Maskara po. Yung maskara ng entry. Pero yung sa po natin,
Wala kayong motive sa sarili.
sabi ko kasi shock ang sabi ko, secretary, yun po ang napag-usapan. Sabi po
So kahit ano, kahit ano lang.
Yes po.
Yung karaya butterfly.
Ito na lang sa black. Hindi siya yung shimmering.
Sa formal ka talaga.
Wala.
Parang bakit naman naka-casual tapos ka mag-mastering?
Tapos po, Friday morning po, available po kayo para po dun sa natin, konting practice ng dance. Kasi meron daw po after my office po kasi ang marcha natin sa red carpet crowd. Then my office daw po yung tatawagin. Pagdating po natin doon sa harap, may presentation po tayo my office na sasayaw. Meron pong binigay yung HR na isang tuntun lang sa loob ng 30 seconds.
So sa 13 yun, yung practice.
Apo, morning sana. Apo, kahit para namin paano para pagdating po natin tapos, about naman po doon sa food natin, ang binigay po kasi ni HR ay meron po tayong budget na 50,000. Pero by team po yun siya. 50K. Pero by team po yun. So, yung kasama po natin sa team po natin is 5 po tayo na team. So, di po pa nagkakualam, di po ano gagawin. 5 department, PR, budget office, sa Sen, SPL. Ayun. So, mag-uusapan po lang din po ano kung gagawin sa 50K. Pero dito po sa office natin, parang mag-pledge po yata si Vice ang isang baboy na lutuin po para sa mga SB staff. Then sa mga SB po sa inyo po, ang sabi po ng HR, meron naman daw po kayong separate na VIP table at saka pagkain po. Diba?
Ano sama-sama na lang tayo, masaya?
Nakaseparate sa kayo sa inyo. Pero po kahapon nag-meeting po kami kahapon dito, sabi ko po kay Ma'am Lucel, mag-provide na lang po ng
ng sarili yung SB ng people sa chair. Kasi ilang beses na rin po tayo nagkakaroon ng activity na wala.
Ano schedule yan?
Friday po.
Friday.
Ako
Ilan sila naka-chairs na
Yan na ako nabanggit ko po kahapon kay hiram na po sana kami sa inyo sa district wide. Kung pwede po kasi para po makawag kami lahat.
tables and chairs?
Yes po. Kahit mga 80.
Ilan?
Meron pa.
Chicken.
Sitari na.
Kaya table tsaka ano, tingnan mo sa
May table po siguro kahit mga 4 or 5.
ay hindi mas marami yung table, yung net folded, hindi pa ka namin nagagamit dito.
Ay, ganun.
Naka-plastic pa.
Sa akin yan. Same po. Meron po tayo doon pero 4 lang po eh.
Kami po 8. Wow.
Yun lang naman po.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead.
may I get this opportunity, Mr. Chair, to cut a photo of something as one of my, may I approach the chair for a photo opportunity? Can you take a photo from my official camera?
Tapos nilalagay ito ka.
Hindi, nakakatawa lang kasi syempre sinitin ko is alam niyo naman po na, nakaka-proud lang po si Ingrid na nag-chinsa. Upo ka na talaga.
Ito may tagal.
Uy, ba? Wait lang po. Okay. Thank you.
Any other announcements? Announcements? Wala na. Speaking.